Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to change address in Hellofresh. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that you want to do here is you first have to log in into your account into Hellofresh. Now from there, you just need to look for your name, which is located at the top right hand corner of your screen. And once you click on it, just click on account settings. Now under account settings, look for plan settings and just click on it. Now under plan settings, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the option that says delivery and payment. Now under delivery and payment, go ahead and click on the edit to make the necessary changes on your address. Now from there, once satisfied, just click on the save button that you see on your screen, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.